Alright, this is 31008 Logan Court in Westlake. This is the Nancy Daniel residence. We're going to be doing some other work here. This is just additional work that she once quoted. Back along her property, she has a line of arborvitaes. She said 3 of them are dead and she wants them to come out. And then we're going to replace them. So, we've got one here. And 2 here. And this guy. So this is technically a weed tree. We need to get this removed in order to replace these 2. We may just be able to dig some of them out, but we'll bring the stump grinder just in case. I'm going to quote to replace this as well. Just spoke with the neighbor. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 we'll be replacing. I'm going to try and find the biggest ones I can get. We'll probably need the stump grinder for this one because this one's been here for a while. So that is what we're doing.